Arrive in style with this 2011 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include remote trunk release, pass-through rear seat, adjustable steering wheel, front-wheel drive, intermittent wipers, child safety locks, stability control, variable speed intermittent wipers, and steel wheels. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.